I really want to feature this person that's being drawn in this midground here, tiny silhouette, followed by these two other person here who acts like an accent to balance out the compositions. You have this here, here, and here. So it looks like he's looking towards the horizon. Problem with this water-soluble graphite is that I cannot really feel for the consistency of the pigment, maybe because of this metal plate I'm using. I really like the granulation so far. You can see up close the granulation is happening. It is really nice. I'm gonna dilute this a little bit more and I'm gonna start working on him in the foreground here. This person in the foreground here. I'll probably use a pencil for the detail next. This structure here are in the shadow as well. Not too concerned about how I draw the figure here, even though I know they're not drawn completely accurate. I just simply wanted to just get the value. At the same time, try to be as accurate as I can with this brush. I will probably be using a pencil later on to get the detail. I'm not sure if that works together with this water-soluble graphite, but I'm assuming that it does. And I'm assuming that this can still be erased. And let's try that out. Probably a lot smarter to do this detail with a pencil, but I was just, you know, curious to see how far I can go with the the brush. I really like this vanishing line to the one-point perspective. It really helps drives the attention to the scene. See all these lines and shadows. I think I can start using the pencil now. Let me just try to see whether the needle eraser can remove. The moment of truth is here. See whether the needle eraser can remove the areas that is dry. Oh, it does. It actually removed. So this part here. I'm not going to overdo this because I really like the brush stroke look of this, even though I could probably add a lot more detail. Just experimenting how the pencil will respond on the surface. It does give you this graphite look, but at the same time that looks like watercolor. It was a great experiment. If I were to do this again, I would definitely make sure that I test the pigment on paper like what I'm doing right now. I shouldn't have charged in too quickly because it seems to be, the pigment is really heavy and also very opaque. So if I put in a lot of water, it's still relatively dark. And I put in a lot more, can see it's relatively dark and not that translucent. For us to unveil this sketch that I've just done. I think it looks great. I think it looks better with this empty space that I have here. It looks like a window into a movie scene now.